Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dafa Faudur and here I want to presentation about understanding visual language model or VLM. Okay, this is a contents that include in this presentation. There is an explanation of the visual language model. How the second is how vision language model work. The third is a real world case study of VLM application, and the last is conclusion or reflection of this technology. Okay, the first is introduction. What are VLMs? VLM stand for is vision language model. Have you ever thought about human basic ability? We can connect what we see with what we understand through the language. Example, if you see this photo, you can instantly understand what is this photo, and you can describe what is this photo, and you can make question about this photo. This is a cat photo, right? Okay. This human ability is exactly what vision language models do. And then what are VLMs? VLM are AI models designed to understand and process information from both visual, like image and video, or text data like word and sentence at all the same time. VLM's goal is to gain complete understanding of the world just like we do, by finding complex connection and meanings between what we see, what we write on, or what we say. Okay, next. The next is how VLMs work. How VLMs work? The main idea of how VLMs work is to create a shared to a common understanding for both visual and text information. And there is VLM's example. There is a dual encoder like clip. As we can see in here in this diagram, there is image and text. Okay, let me explain about the image encoder first. Image encoder, the function of this is to turn this image into number that represent this visual feature from this image. Okay, what is the text encoder function? Text encoder function is to turn text into number that representing the meaning from this text. Okay, the output from these two is image embedding and text embedding. After that, they go to join embedding. What the function of join embedding? Join embedding is a shared place or space to put codes from the image and text to the same place if they have the same meaning. If they have the same meaning, they will put in the position closer. And the last is constructive learning. Constructive learning is model that learn to pull matching image or text pair closer. If image or text not matching, this will push non-matching pairs further apart. Okay. Next is cross modal. How actually cross modal architecture work? This model work like mix image and text but more deeply accurate. In here, there is a multimodal. Why this model is mix image and text more deeply accurate? So this model can learn and can understand and generate more complex content. And here, as you can see, there is a multimodal recorder. In this multimodal recorder, this model use spatial layer. They let image and text feature deep interaction and combination, so that they can understand and generate more complex content. This model use million of data sets from in the internet. The big data helps more understand this model to can understand relate between the image and the text. Okay, next is a real world case study of VLM application. Real world case study of application. Study case I use is social media account details. The problem: social media platform face significant challenge in monitoring inappropriate image, visual misinformation, or harmful visual content. Conventional detection systems struggle to understand the combined context of image and text. For example, memes contain hateful or misleading message. This VLM as a solution with vision language model like CLIP. System can detect whether a caption match or contradict the image. Second is VLM can identify sensitive content like violence, pornography, or something like that using multimodal understanding. The third or the last is help moderation system become smarter, not just relying on keyword-based filter. Example like this: there is a photo, a random guy holding a gun, and the caption is "Let's solve problem peacefully with this emoticon." Clip can recognize this mismatch, understanding dangers, irony or sarcasm, and flag it for moderation. Okay, next is conclusion. Conclusion for this presentation: potential for VLM. Multimodal AI. VLMs are the foundation of AI that can see and read, crucial for robot, digital assistant, and AR or VR. Second is flexible application from medical imaging to education and creative tools. The third is zero shot and few shoot capabilities. Less need for large elaborate dataset per task. Challenge for this technology: bias and ethics. This model learn from the internet that which data can include harmful or biased content. Next is interpretability. Like many deep learning models, VLMs are often black box. The last is resource intensive. Training requires larger scale compute and data. It makes more time to training. Okay, this from my personal opinion. VLMs are promising step toward general purpose AI that can engage with the world in human life, like multimodal way. However, to unlock their full potential responsibly, we must ensure ethical data use, interpretability, and fairness. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention to my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.